Alright, so before we get into today's video, I have a drink, so that means you're going to be watching me drink this drink. So I think you should have a drink as well before you get started with the video, because then I would have a drink and you wouldn't, and it just doesn't feel right, and like, you know. Right. So we're going to be talking about how you can get started with cryptocurrency. So it's actually fairly simple. What I would suggest you first do is plan out why you're getting started with cryptocurrency, right? Because you might be getting started for many different reasons. There are two reasons usually why people get started, and one of them is that they want to hold the crypto long term. And in the case that you're planning to hold the crypto long term, what I would do is just get a crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. I would recommend MetaMask in my opinion. It's a lot better. And if you just want to go into the cryptocurrency game for trading, like day trading and like working hard at it every single day, what I would do is set up a Binance account or a crypto.com account, or just an account on a website where you can actually exchange crypto and okay. Yeah, so on a website where you can exchange crypto and just trade it day to day, like Binance is, in my opinion, is the best, and they have a version for the US as well now. So yeah, get started with Binance for sure. And yeah, so once you have your crypto wallet set up, let's say you started with MetaMask, right? Because you want to just put, like, for example, $1,000 into Bitcoin, forget about it, come back 5 years later and it's still there. Hopefully it'll have made you some money by then. So yeah, so right after you download the MetaMask app, whether that be on your phone or the Chrome extension from your computer, the first thing you would need to do is obviously buy the cryptocurrency. And there are two ways you can do that. I also use Trust Wallet, which is like the MetaMask alternative, because I can buy cryptocurrency on there. So what I normally do is either buy the cryptocurrency straight from Trust Wallet, but sometimes some people find it difficult. So I would go to my Binance account, Binance.com, and I would buy the crypto there from the section called P2P, P number 2P, which stands for peer-to-peer, and that basically allows you to buy cryptocurrency from other people, and you can just pay them using Interac e-transfer or wire transfer or whatever you really like. And then they'll send you the crypto, and then you can send it from your Binance account to your wallet, which is MetaMask or Trust Wallet. I will have links to those down in the description. Yeah, so you'll buy it from Binance or Trust Wallet and then have it sent over to MetaMask, or you can just keep it in Binance. It doesn't really matter. You'll have your crypto anyways. And yeah, that's that simple, really. You just buy the crypto, and right. And in the case that you want to day trade, of course, you would. I would recommend using Binance because it's very easy. It has low fees as well per transaction. There are many trading strategies you can use, like crypto scalping, and there's many others. You just have to do a lot of research about it. What I would recommend doing is, of course, trading is very risky. Let's just put that out there. I've lost a lot of money doing it, but I also know a lot of people who won a lot of money doing it. So if you know what you're doing, go ahead. Even if you don't, still go ahead. It's a great experience. You'll probably learn something that other people haven't learned. And what else did I want to talk about? Yeah, so you've got your way. You can set up your crypto wallet. You've got your crypto, and yeah, it's literally that simple. But advice, of course, to make sure that you get into the right cryptocurrency. There are many cryptocurrencies out there that are going to advertise themselves as 100x cryptos or 10x cryptos, where you'll basically buy it and they'll tell you, yeah, your money's going to 10x in a couple of days or a month or two. That stuff never happens. Yeah, so if you're planning to hold long term, so if you want to put like $1,000 into cryptocurrency and just forget about it for the next 5 to 10 years or something, I would probably buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are really the stable coins, you know, because for example with Bitcoin is the biggest one of them all. It just controls the market. Bitcoin goes down, so does Ethereum, so does Solana, so does pretty much everything else. So I would put my money long term into either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Depends on what you want to hold really, or BNB. BNB is a really good alternative as well. I'm currently staking 6 BNBs. Yeah, so that's for the long term. Short term, of course, you would also want to be day trading Bitcoin because it has a lot of liquid. If you day trade a smaller coin, like an altcoin or something, the percentage changes are huge every day, like changes a lot. So for example, how can I explain this? For example, Bitcoin goes up by 10% one day. The altcoin would most likely go up by 20 to 30%. Depends on which coin it is, but altcoins have less liquid, so they gain a lot more, but they also lose a lot more. So if Bitcoin goes down by 5%, the altcoin could go down by 15 to 20%, which is scary. You don't want to do that with day trading. So yeah, most day traders, what they do is they day trade either Bitcoin or Ethereum, BNB. BNB is a really good one if you're day trading on Binance because you pay less fees because it's their own native coin. And yeah, that's about all. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments and I will help you out.